Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Guys, look at my torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. I'll do about 60 pounds of celery in this small area. It's just a little walkway. And guess what? These torpedo pots, they grow my food for me. I never have to grow my food. See that knob on that planter? When I turn that knob, I'll get more food than you can ever imagine. Lots of it. And it's delicious, healthy food. Let's look inside of it and see what the canopy. Look at that down in that canopy. This is the celery. This is my celery, man. I eat wholesome, delicious food all of the time. And I get young, tender food all of the time. I don't know what you eat, but my stuff is not genetically modified. Garlic chives. And look at my lettuce. Isn't my lettuce beautiful? This is pretty tall. Oh my gosh, it's very tall. And it's beautiful. Gosh, it's so gorgeous. And it's beautiful. So we'll get hundreds of pounds of food every year growing in these torpedo pots. Okay? Just got finished raining and you see the water all on the ground and stuff like that, but my torpedo pots are doing great. All of them are doing fantastic. I get to have food when I want to, where I want to, all of the time. And it's so healthy, not a blemish anywhere, because they're growing in a torpedo pot. I don't have the problems with insects eating my food like you do. And that's why I'm able to grow so much food in such a small space. It's called torpedo pot. And here it is, it's in a small, dark area. And my food is doing just fine because they're growing in torpedo pots. So if you want to eat healthy, you want to be healthy, you want food that lasts you a lifetime, you best get a torpedo pot. There's nothing like it in the world.